Nagabenta ki khubor baman kasni pet but subscribe ya u Antor News.
Kublai pi baro kinigilong ki khubor bamta kasni. Hatu ka na keyboard district ne da ka Sorkar MDA tu omtip ka ikadaw ba ka Sorkar kam shimla ay jingbit day batiang ne ba ya trailang ba ka BJP. Ka jingman Rahul Gandhi ban yakundo ya ki samla puli ka USTM shimla yo jingbit na keyboard district. Nakaliang President ka Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee ba Vincent H. Pala ulakan ther ba pinram ya ka Sorkar jilla balaya lamda ka NPP ka UDP BJP ba HSPDP. Ka kentaj ban ay jingbit ika Congress bakan pelong ya ka jingialang ya selong hapo USTM Riboy District nin ka siningkong. Uba pala ubala bitar bat pin I ba ka Sorkar MDA ka tray karkum ka jingpnya jang ka BJP ha Delhi bat katu kat ni kinong yalam na Assam. Ka jingtmu jong Rahul Gandhi ubala wan hari boy ban pelong ya ka Bharat Jodo Nya Yatra uday banet pelong ya ka jingialang selong bat ki samla puli ka USTM henry ka Sorkar ka klam ay jingbit satya. Ka jingbam ay jingbit bat ka jingkhang ya ka sing Congress ban net pelong jingialang ha USTM wat haba kibor ka USTM kala ay jingbit ya ka sing Congress ban pelong jingialang hapo ka compound jong ki kani kala pelong ya ka Congress ban bitar yathu uba Vincent Pala.
Rejected our applications, they rejected and they don't give us permissions. See, Rahul Gandhi wants to go to a university not for political discussion but for interaction with the students, how to inspire the students. See, the intention of the Bharat Jodo Yatra is justice for youth, participations of the youth and the people also. And then he'll have interactions with different women, interaction with the farmers, interaction with the workers, interactions with different sections of people, the civil societies. So part of the program, like today we had interactions with the civil societies. Though they stopped us from USTM, but we had interactions at the hotels with the students also. So at 8 o'clock the students came and he also had interactions with the Northeast Congress Coordination Committee also today. So it did not stop us, but only it shows the mindset of the government in the state is controlled by the BJP, because the BJP is against the Yatra of Rahul Gandhi. The BJP doesn't want Rahul Gandhi to connect with the people. The Yatra, the purpose of the Yatra is to connect with the people, listen to the people and take the views of the people, and in that way then we have an experience, in that way then we can know what is the mindset of people. So when we be in the government, then we'll be able to deliver. And when we want to prepare a manifesto, then we'll be able to promise. So these interactions is not only in Meghalaya, and in Nagaland we are in opposition, in Manipur we are in opposition. Nowhere in the country who reject the permission, except Meghalaya as on today. So we have been all over. You see, yesterday the Jai Sriram team has done the marching right from Guwahati up to Meghalaya. They entered Banihat, another place. That a permission was granted or not granted by them, we don't know. But we as a disciplined party, we ask a permission. Otherwise, we don't need a permission for interaction with the students. Like today, we had interaction with the students. Where they didn't give us, we had interaction with the students because we don't need a permission for. But I think for law and order, I thought we should have an interaction. They refused, but we have done it. So same thing, this government, they want and they give a space for all those people. If you see in the YouTube, I've seen so many things. I met them personally also. They walk all around from Meghalaya to Assam. We don't mind. I mean, we have no problem for walking. But why not to them you grant a permission? Why not to us you don't grant a permission? This is very serious. The people of Meghalaya should think. I think the people should know also that this government is spineless, is controlled by the BJP in Delhi, and this government is spineless, is controlled by the leaders from Assam. This is what we could sense from the director of the USTM, that lots of threats has been given to him. That's one of the biggest challenge which we have in the Northeast. Things have become, threatening has become towards our institutions, towards our people, towards our business communities. Those who work very hard to bring the public to the Yatra, right from Jorabat up to Nongpo. I special grateful to all the MLAs. Different responsibilities has been given for Dr. Celestine Longdo, Charles Marungal, who are MLAs from Riboy. The maximum responsibilities was given to them. So thank you, Doctor, for all the hard work you have done and your team. And also Baroni, who were managed yesterday in the stage, as well as for giving the welcome address to Rahul Gandhi and the public. So thank you, Baroni, for all the hard work. Also, Saleng, who brought many people from Karils, and Madam Rivora, also thank you for all the hard work you have done. And special thanks to all the people who came, not only the Congress workers, not only the Congress voters, but the public at large. This shows that if we in the Congress really work together, if we in the Congress unitedly fight for the elections, the public will be with us. This also shows that whenever Rahul Gandhi goes, be it in Manipur, be it in Assam, be it in Nagaland, be it in Arunachal, so the public wants to listen, wants to interact, and also wants to see how Rahul Gandhi is doing his yatra.